Hello student, today we are studied the topic chemical thermodynamics. Chemical thermodynamics. In this chemical thermodynamics, bond enthalpy. Consider the reaction. Consider the reaction H2 gas state to gives H plus H. हा मॉलिक्यूल आहे, हायड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल आहे आणि ह्या हायड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूलचं कन्व्हर्जन हे हायड्रोजन ॲटममध्ये होण्यासाठी त्याला लागणारी जी एनर्जी आहे त्याला बॉन्ड एन्थाल्पी असं म्हणतो. आता H2 म्हणजे H बॉन्ड H म्हणजेच बॉन्ड एन्थाल्पी. It shows that the H bond in 1 mole of hydrogen is decomposed, producing gaseous hydrogen atom. The enthalpy change of the reaction 436 kilojoule is bond enthalpy of the H bond H. The enthalpy change required to break particular covalent bond in 1 mole of gaseous molecule to produce a gaseous atom and or a radical is called as bond enthalpy. Okay, then the HCl molecule dissociation adds HCl in gaseous state to gives H hydrogen in gaseous state plus chlorine, and bond enthalpy is 431.9 kilojoule. Standard bond enthalpy of HCl bond is 431.9 kilojoule. Average bond enthalpy in polyatomic molecule. Then average bond enthalpy in polyatomic molecule. Each covalent bond in polyatomic molecule is associated with its own specific bond enthalpy. Each covalent bond in polyatomic molecule is associated with its own specific bond enthalpy. The thermochemical equation for dissociation of water molecule is water molecule in gaseous state to gives 2 hydrogen in gaseous state plus oxygen. Standard enthalpy, average bond enthalpy is 927 kilojoule. The above equation implies that the enthalpy change for breaking of 2 OH bond in one molecule of gaseous H2O molecule is 927 kilojoule. 2 OH bond in H2O are identical. The energy needed to break individual OH bond are different. आता यामध्ये पहा, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतात आणि ते 2 हायड्रोजन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड हे ब्रेक होण्यासाठी लागणारी एनर्जी जी आहे ती 927 किलोजूल आहे. आणि ते बॉन्ड फॉर्म होण्यासाठी द बॉन्ड इज इन वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल आर ब्रोकन इन सक्सेसिव्ह ॲज अ डिफरंट स्टेट और स्टेप. वेगवेगळ्या स्टेपमध्ये या ठिकाणी हे बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतात. आता यामध्ये H2 in gases to gives OH plus H. Standard enthalpy is 499 kilojoule and OH to gives O plus H. Standard enthalpy is 428 and average enthalpy of broken is 927 किलोजूल. म्हणजे थोडक्यात वॉटर मॉलिक्यूलचा बॉन्ड HOH हे दोन बॉन्ड आहेत. हे दोन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होण्यासाठी दोन स्टेपमध्ये याची एनर्जी जी आवश्यक आहे ती एनर्जी ही 927 किलो जूल आहे. पहिल्या स्टेपसाठी 499 किलो जूल आणि दुसऱ्या स्टेपसाठी 428 किलो जूल. The total enthalpy change is 927 kilojoule, not twice as large of the OH bond enthalpy. What is the enthalpy of OH bond in water molecule? अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारण्याची शक्यता असते. For polyatomic molecule, the average bond enthalpy of particular bond would be considered. Thus, the average bond enthalpy of OH bond is 927 minus is equal to 463.5 kilojoule, or standard enthalpy of OH bond is 463.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Then reaction and bond enthalpies. In a chemical reaction, bonds are broken and formed. The enthalpy of reactions involving substance having covalent bond are calculated by moving the bond enthalpies of reactant and product. The calculations assume all the bonds or a given types of are identical. The formation of bond enthalpy is equal to sum of the enthalpy of reactant minus sum of the enthalpy of product. Consider hydrogen gas plus iodine gas to gives HI in gaseous state. Two molecules. 1 mole of hydrogen gas reacts with 1 mole of iodine gas to gives 2 moles of HI in gaseous state. The enthalpy is given by delta. Standard enthalpy of reaction is enthalpy of H bond H plus standard enthalpy of I bond I minus 2 into standard enthalpy of HI bond. Okay. Then he says law of constant heat summation. The law states that overall the enthalpy change for a reaction is equal to sum of enthalpy change of individual steps in the reaction. The enthalpy change for a chemical reaction is the sum regardless of the path by which the reaction occurs. This law is a direct consequence of the fact that enthalpy is state function. The enthalpy change of a reaction depends only on the initial and final state and not on the path by which the reaction occurs. To determine the overall equation of reaction, reactant and product in the individual step are added or subtracts like algebraic entities. Consider the synthesis of ammonia. 2 molecules of hydrogen gas reacts with 1 molecule of nitrogen to gives N2H4. Standard enthalpy is 95.4 kilojoule. N2H4 in gases plus hydrogen to gives 2 molecules of ammonia. Standard enthalpy of H2 is minus 187.6 kilojoule, and sum of the standard enthalpy of the reaction is 3 molecules of hydrogen plus 1 molecules of nitrogen to gives 2 molecules of ammonia. Standard enthalpy of reaction is minus 92.2 kilojoule. The sum of the enthalpy change for step 1 and 2 is equal to enthalpy change for the overall reaction. Then application of Hiss's law. The Hiss's law has been useful to calculate the enthalpy change for the reaction with their enthalpies being not known experimentally. The Hiss's law has been useful to calculate. हिसेस लॉ जो आहे तो आपल्याला एन्थाल्पी चेंज हे कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी फॉर द रिॲक्शन इन देअर एन्थाल्पीज बिंग नॉट नोन एक्सपेरिमेंटली ज्या रिॲक्टंटची एन्थाल्पी अननोन असते ते नोन करण्यासाठी हिसेस लॉचा यूज केला जातो. दिस इज नथिंग बट दी हिसेस लॉ. ओके, थँक्यू.